Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import accounts from CSV and Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do is just log into your Freshsales dashboard. From the left hand panel, click on this icon to access the accounts section. And then here at the top right, you can click on import accounts, and then we'll be here on step 1. You can either click here to browse your file explorer and get your file. I'll just go ahead and drag and drop this CSV file. Okay. And then we come here to choose our date format if you have a date field. Okay, I'll choose this one, date, month, year. And then we come here to import options. So we have it selected to create new accounts by default. I'll choose this one, but of course you can pick another one that is applicable to your needs. I'll leave it at this. And if you want to skip duplicates automatically, you'll need to match it to Freshsales ID. If you don't have this field in your CSV, then you'll get an error message, or you can choose a name. For example, I'll just go ahead and toggle this one off. So sales owner for unassigned accounts. We'll go ahead and use myself. You can choose someone else if you want. Come here, click on next, and then make sure everything is mapped correctly. So as long as you see this check mark, everything here has been mapped. Make sure it is correctly mapped to the respective CRM field. And then I'll come here, click on import, and there you go. In just a second, you should see success. The accounts have been created, right? Really that easy. And that is how to import accounts from CSV in Freshsales.